Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about if you can or can't change your profile name in Hamster Kombat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to know that, you just simply have to open your Hamster Kombat. And now if you tap into your profile name into here, you will get no option in order to change it. Now if you go back and go to gear option, you will also not get any option in order to change your profile name. The name here is the same name that I have into my Telegram. Maybe if I change my name into the Telegram profile, it might be changed into the Hamster Kombat. So let's try that process. I'm setting up a new username for my Telegram and I'll save it now. Now let's go back to Hamster Kombat and see if my name is changed into there or not. Now we're entering to Hamster Kombat, and as you can see here, my name is exactly the same as it was before. It means you cannot actually change your name or the profile name into Hamster Kombat. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.